If you're scheduled for a joint replacement or spinal fusion, you might just find yourself headed to camp first.
Misty Robbins, Joint and Spine Care Coordinator at Texoma Medical Center, tells us more in today's segment of For Your Health.
Experts agree that good preoperative education is an important part of a successful surgery. That's why here at TMC, we offer our patients the opportunity to participate in joint or spine camp. This is a class we offer to educate patients prior to their total joint surgery for hips or knees, or for a spinal fusion. We go through everything related to the surgical process, including why you're having surgery, what you can do before surgery to get yourself ready, and what to expect while you're here with us in the hospital, and going home afterwards to continue your care at home. Joint and Spine Camp is very interactive, and patients are encouraged to bring their care partner and any questions they might have. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great. How do I sign up? Well, it's easy. You actually don't have to. We do joint camp every Tuesday at noon and spine camp every Wednesday at noon on the 6th floor right here at Texoma Medical Center. If you've been scheduled for the surgery, you and your caregiver are welcome to attend any of our scheduled class. Typically though, we do try to schedule any pre-op lab work or testing you'll have to complete on the same day as your joint or spine camp, so you can get everything done in one day if that's what you want. When it comes to your joint replacement or spinal fusion, don't go it alone. We're here to help you achieve the best outcomes possible.